Hello students, how are you? I think you all are well, isn't it? The students, in this video we are going to study how to find a mode of a grouped data. In the previous class, you have studied how to find the mode of ungrouped data. Is it? Then what is the mode of ungrouped data, or what is the mode? Mode is the value that occurs most frequently or that occurs mostly in the ungrouped data. But in this video we are going to study mode of grouped data. So what is mode? Mode is that value among the observations which occurs most often. It is we have studied already. Or we can say mode is the value of the observation having the maximum frequency. This is the part of this video because this is including your 14.2. Okay. So what is the formula of finding mode? Mode is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Now, I am taking one example. What is? Suppose this is the example. It is family size. It is class intervals are given. And number of families. Suppose the family size is 1 to 3. That means 1 to 3 members in this family. And how many families are according to this class interval? 7 families lies in this group. 3 to 5 members having 8 families having 3 to 5 members. 2 families are having 5 to 7 members. 2 families also having 7 to 9 members, and only one single family is having 9 to 11 members. Clear? We have to find the mode. Now what we do? First of all, we see the highest frequency. Here number of families are given and the highest number of families is 8. That means the maximum frequency is 8. Okay, and the class corresponding to this maximum frequency is called model class. What is model class? Okay, I am written here. In a grouped frequency distribution, the class with the maximum frequency is called the model class. Clear? The mode lies in this class. मतलब जो हमारा मोड होगा वो इस क्लास के बीच में लाई करेगा. क्लियर? अच्छा. नाउ व्हाट हियर, दिस इज द मॉडल क्लास. So it is model class. Got it? What is model class? The class which is having maximum frequency is called the model class, and lower limit of this class, that is 3. This 3 is the lower limit. 3 is the lower limit of this class. Okay. Now, model class frequency, this frequency is called f1. This is the frequency of model class. Got it? This 7 is the frequency preceding the model class. That is, it is denoted by f0. And this 2 is the frequency succeeding the model class. Here written frequency of the class succeeding the model class, that is f2. And what is h? H is the class size. H is class size. So what is class size? Class size means upper limit minus lower limit of the model class. We are assuming all the class intervals are same. Clear? So we can subtract lower limit from the upper limit and get the h. And after finding these all values, we put the we put these values in this formula to get the mode. Clear students? So students, pause the video to be noted down. We will proceed to the next exercise, that is 14.2. okay, now note it down.